Let's dive right into it and see how these two platforms stack up against each other, helping you decide which one has the right tools for your needs. Both MailerLite and Sendinblue are popular email marketing platforms and both offer powerful features, but they serve slightly different audiences. If you're wondering which one offers more features, keep watching to find out what each brings to the table, and I'll also share my personal recommendation at the end. Let's start with MailerLite. One of its main selling points is its simplicity. If you're new to email marketing, it's a great platform to start with. The interface is user-friendly, and creating emails is quick and easy. But while it's easy to use, that doesn't mean it lacks features. MailerLite offers unlimited emails for free on its free plan, which is pretty attractive for small businesses or those just starting out. You also get features like automation, landing pages, and a built-in form builder. Next thing, Sendinblue. Now, Sendinblue offers a lot of similar features, but there's a notable difference. It allows you to send up to 300 emails per day on its free plan, with no limits on the number of subscribers. This can be really helpful if you need to scale without worrying about the number of contacts. Sendinblue also offers SMS marketing, which is a major perk if you're looking to diversify your communication channels. It's something MailerLite doesn't offer, and in terms of flexibility, it gives Sendinblue a leg up. Now, let's talk about email automation. Both platforms offer automation features, but they vary in complexity. MailerLite's automation workflows are quite intuitive, especially for those just starting with email marketing. You can set triggers based on user actions like signups or purchases, and it's easy to track the performance. Sendinblue also has a robust automation system, but it's a little more advanced. You get more control over segmentation and can use behavioral triggers, making it better for businesses that want a deeper level of customization. The fourth thing to mention is the email templates. Both MailerLite and Sendinblue provide a wide variety of professional email templates to choose from. But MailerLite offers a drag-and-drop builder that's super easy to use, and it gives you more creative freedom when it comes to designing emails. Sendinblue, on the other hand, gives you a solid builder, but it's slightly more rigid in terms of customization. For those who prioritize a more flexible design, MailerLite has the edge. Moving on to deliverability, this is where things get tricky. Both platforms claim high deliverability rates, but Sendinblue has a stronger reputation in this area. They have a robust system in place for managing sender reputation, and they offer advanced features like dedicated IP addresses and advanced reporting. MailerLite does a good job, but if you're sending high volumes of emails, Sendinblue's deliverability tools are more reliable. Next thing, let's discuss pricing. MailerLite's pricing is straightforward. The free plan is excellent for smaller lists, and when you upgrade, you get a lot of features for your money. Sendinblue also offers a free plan, but its paid plans can get a little more expensive compared to MailerLite, especially if you need advanced features like SMS marketing or extra email sends. So, if you're on a tight budget, MailerLite might be more affordable. The last thing I'll touch on is customer support. MailerLite offers email support and a help center, which is fine for most cases, but they don't have live chat support on the lower tier plans. Sendinblue, on the other hand, has 24/7 live chat support for paid users, which can be a huge bonus if you're running a business that needs quick responses. For support, Sendinblue takes the win. At the end of the day, both MailerLite and Sendinblue are solid options with their own set of strengths. If you're just getting started or need an easy-to-use platform, MailerLite is the better choice. But if you need advanced features like SMS marketing, high deliverability, or more control over automation, Sendinblue is a great option. That said, after trying both myself, I found an even better alternative that offers everything these two platforms provide, plus a lot more. If you want to take your email marketing to the next level, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description below. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out. The best free trial is waiting for you.